So one of the biggest mistakes painters make with texture is thinking that they have to use it everywhere. But texture isn't meant to be spread evenly. It's meant to be felt. And in this painting, the thickest, boldest texture lives right up front. It's messy, it's sculpted, it's unapologetic. And as your eye moves back, the texture quietly softens. That's not an accident. Texture is how you tell the viewer where to look. It's how you create depth without drawing. It's how a painting starts to feel alive. And when you're painting with a palette knife, remember this: texture is a choice, not a habit. You don't cover the entire canvas. You decide where to be bold and where to let the paint breathe. And on Friday, I'm going to show you exactly how to load your knife, where to press in, when to stop, so that your texture works for you, not against you. And if you want to paint Mama Bear with us live on Zoom this Friday, it's happening inside Let's Dabble, and I'd love to have you join us. All right, you can find all the details at letsdabble.com. All right, see you soon.